Most people who decided to change at the beginning of the year started the same way. A sudden burst of motivation, a long list of goals, and a shiny vision board. But what happened? That commitment vanished after a week, maybe 2 at best. Why? Because change doesn't start with goals and plans, it starts from within. That's why I've prepared a complete 7-step program to help you reset your sails and head in the right direction. Stay with me till the end. Step 1. A new identity, not just new goals. This phase is like planting a seed underground. Nothing looks different from the outside, but without it, nothing will grow. Think with me, if someone is trying to learn a new language, but deep down they believe, I'm lazy. I never stick to things. I'm not good at memorizing. Do you expect them to succeed? Of course not, they'll find 1,000 excuses. But if they believe, I learn fast. I enjoy challenging myself, their brain starts to cooperate. So, the first step is to rebuild your self-image. Here's how to do it. Imagine yourself 6 months from now and write a full page describing who you are. What do you do? How does your body look? How do you behave? Speak in the present tense. I am now, not I hope to be. Why? Because when your brain reads this story again and again, it begins to believe it and act on it. Embody this identity daily. Don't just write it. Stand in front of the mirror and speak like you're already that person. Train your voice, your face, your posture. This isn't madness. It's powerful mental conditioning. Forgive your past self intelligently. Take an old failure and rewrite its story with a new ending. What did you learn from it? What did it give you despite everything? This step frees you from the weight of the past, so you start light, ready, and free of guilt. Repeat these exercises every day for 7 days, and you'll start to notice your inner voice shift. Before we move on, take a moment to choose your main goal. You might have set many goals this year, but real change begins with clear focus. Ask yourself, what is the one goal that feels most urgent and meaningful right now? Write it down because everything that comes next will be built around it. Step 2. Clean your environment from distractions and make it serve you. Imagine trying to live healthier, but your fridge is full of desserts, your drawer packed with chips, and your phone buzzing with endless Instagram notifications. What's the chance you'll stick to your plan? Be honest. How many times have we ruined our progress because our environment worked against us? This phase is like clearing the road before you start running. Ask yourself now, does my room push me to act, or does it steal my attention? Is my phone an ally or a silent enemy? Are my tools organized and easy to access, or does every attempt start with chaos? To succeed, you don't need superpowers, just make the right action easier and the wrong one harder. That's how consistency is built. Set a specific corner in your room used only for your goal, whether it's study, exercise, or creative work. Don't eat or scroll or sleep there. Let your body associate space with purpose. Now imagine how much mental energy you'll save, simply because your environment is helping, not fighting you. Step 3. Work with your body's energy, not against it. Remember those days when you wanted to get something done, but your brain just wouldn't cooperate? That wasn't a failure. That was you working against your body's rhythm. Your brain can't focus for endless hours. It works in waves, peaking every 90 minutes, then needing a short reset. Ignore that, and it backfires. Boredom, zoning out, then burnout. So what do? Break your day into focus sessions. 90 minutes work, 20 minutes rest. In the break, don't open your phone. Instead, lie down, stretch, breathe, or walk a bit. Here's a method I use to tell if I'm genuinely drained or just being lazy. I ask myself 3 questions. Does my body feel heavy and sluggish, even for simple tasks like making tea? Is my mind foggy and unfocused, like everything is blurry and nothing makes sense? Does my heart feel emotionally drained, empty, or burdened with something I can't carry? If I answer yes to 2 or more, I rest and recharge. If only one yes, I still take a small action, even if it's a 5-minute stretch or jotting down a thought. Balanced productivity means rest is part of the plan, not the enemy of it. Do this for 3 days straight and you'll notice. You get more done and feel less tired. Step 4. Flexible planning that bends with you, not breaks you. Most people make a 6-month plan all at once, then crash at the first obstacle. But the smart way? Move in small, clear, adjustable steps. Your plan won't save you. Your ability to adjust it will. Divide the 6 months into 12 sprints. Each sprint lasts 2 weeks. For every sprint, define a clear, specific goal. At the end of every sprint, ask, what did I achieve? What held me back? What will I adjust for the next sprint? That way, you don't feel like you failed. You just feel like a pro who's learning and improving, like in any field. Step 5. Smart locks that block procrastination. This is where your efforts turn into real commitment. Because now, you're not relying on motivation. You're locking the back doors. Use the WOP method daily. What do I want? Why do I want it? What obstacle will come up? What's my plan to overcome it? Set a future contract, enroll in a non-refundable course, or promise a friend you'll pay a painful price if you skip your task. My friend once paid $200 for a course. She told me, I wanted to quit in the first week, but I paid too much to stop. Sometimes, it's fear of loss that keeps us going. And every time you have a good day, make it visible. Hang a chart with 30 boxes and color one for each successful day. Or drop beads into a jar. Your brain needs this kind of visible progress to keep going. Step 6. Monthly reviews that gently adjust your path. At the end of each month, sit down and write. What was the one thing I stuck to most? What was the real reason I failed to stick to the rest? Ask why 5 times to get to the root. What adjustment will I make for next month? This review is more important than any schedule. It's what keeps you running all the way to the finish line. Step 7. A support circle that reminds you you're not alone. Finally, don't try to do it all alone. Find someone walking a similar path and agree to check in weekly. Or post your weekly report on a blog, in a story, or inside a learning community. Just knowing someone else knows your plan boosts your commitment. Because let's be honest, no one wants to fail in front of an audience. Why does this system work for anyone? Because it builds you from the inside out. Each phase sets the stage for the next. Identity shapes your environment. Environment shapes your focus. Focus fuels your plan. Your plan is protected by locks. The locks are reviewed. And the review is held by support. Nothing stands alone. That's why even if you've tried dozens of methods before, this will be different. Because it treats you like a living human being, not a robot. You don't need a miracle. You just need one honest decision today. Don't let it pass like it means nothing. Because today might be the day that changes everything. Create your own start date. I won't say goodbye. I'll see you there at the finish line.